The motorhome is powered by an internal leisure battery, controlled by the panel found above the main entrance door. The button in the bottom right turns the control panel on and off. Just above that is the lights, or 12-volt circuit. This allows use of the light, TV and water pump. In the bottom left is your water pump. This needs to be on for your taps, shower and toilet flush to work. The button in the top left displays the internal temperature of the motorhome. To the right of that is your water levels. Push once to show how much is in your fresh water tank and twice to show your wastewater levels. The levels are displayed in increments of 33%. First on the second row shows the power level of your vehicle battery, and next to that shows the power level of your leisure battery. It's worth noting that the leisure battery will not power the 3-pin plug sockets. In order for the 3-pin plug sockets to work, you'll need to be connected to mains power via electric hookup or a generator. When connected, the hookup symbol will appear at the bottom of the display panel.